Hey, how's it going, you guys? I'm Brandon. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you did click on this video, you're probably interested in an electric bicycle, or possibly you're doing research specifically on the KBO Breeze. We'll open the box up together. We'll put the bike together. I'll let you know what that process is like. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's open this bad boy up, put it together, and plug it in, get it charged up so we can go for that first ride. Okay, so this is what it looks like right out of the package. Once you find this box, this is the one that has the owner's manual with the directions, some multi-tools, and a few parts in here. So this is a good starting spot, is with this box. So the assembly instructions are here in the owner's manual. It is pretty straightforward. There are 10 steps. You're going to install the handlebars, the front wheel, the fender, the headlights, pump up the tires, put on the pedals, and decide if you want to have the fenders and the rack on there. But 10 steps and you're done. It's actually pretty easy. It took less than 10 minutes actually to put it together. I did struggle with this front brake rotor, just getting everything aligned where it wasn't rubbing. So that I spent about 30 minutes on, just undoing the brake pad and tightening it, holding down the brake lever just to get everything aligned. That was the part that took me the longest. So here's the battery is over here charging right now. And this is the basket I removed, the fender that I removed. Well, here it is, guys. The KBO, fresh out of the shop. And they assured me they did a safety test. Everything is aligned, pumped up, and torqued to spec. And as you can see, I did not install the fenders or the rear basket. So I'm keeping it kind of a naked bike look. And then just to add a little bit of color, I don't know if it's showing up in this lighting, I installed some green pedals here, just a little bit of personalization, a little bit of customization. But this is the first ride. We still have the plastics here. I'm gonna go ahead and take these bad boys off and go for a ride. And I'm barely pedaling and this thing is going right off the bat. Just barely pedaling. And I'm cruising. It says 10 miles an hour. There, that feels a little more comfortable. I'm up in gear 5. Okay. Pedal assist level 1. And just for a little test here, let's test out the brakes. Okay, feels good. It's a beautiful day. We're in Huntington Beach today. It is beautiful, 70 degrees. We're gonna see a lot of e-bikes, a lot of people out here walking. This is a perfect place to take this bike. This is exactly where I'm gonna be taking this bike. Be taking it to the beaches, and most likely I'll be taking it camping. When I go to the campsite, when I get to the campsite, I'll be riding this thing all around, and it should be a ton of fun. Yeah, actually right here, pedal assist level 1 is more than adequate. So this is intended to be a commuter bike, and to be a very comfortable way to get to work. The saddle feels comfortable. The suspension feels comfortable. Although it is adjustable, I haven't even adjusted it. So if I needed to fine tune it, it has that capability. All right, I'll test these brakes again, coming up on a crowd of people. Wow, what a nice day. All right, so I'm still in pedal assist mode 1, but let's go ahead and try the throttle. I'm not gonna be pedaling for the next portion of this test. I just wanna feel that throttle response. Oh yeah. That's satisfying, feels good. Brakes are responsive. Feels good, feels good. I'm coming up on the pier here, so it's gonna get a little crowded. I'm gonna kind of slow down a little bit. But just past this, it's not as crowded. I should be able to kick it up a notch, test out the other levels. I feel like this is a really comfortable ride. I mean, this is perfect pavement, but the saddle feels comfortable. The suspension's smooth. There we go. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. Throttle only. Got up to 20 right away. That was nice. And brakes. All right, brakes are strong. Yeah, when you have an e-bike that can get you up above 20 miles an hour, you want to make sure that those brakes have the stopping power. So it's a good feeling, especially when there's this many people around. I want to be able to stop. Definitely don't want to run anyone's kid over their dogs. All right, here's a little uphill test. Saw that guy riding his bicycle carrying a surfboard. See, if you had one of these, you could attach the surfboard attachment. You could bring your board to the beach, just cruising. Uphill, no problem. So this section of the road is definitely bumpier, or the path I should say, is definitely bumpier, but it's still comfortable. This is KBO Breeze's Commuter Edition bike. It's like a budget, entry level, I would say, commuter bike. It has really good specs on it. The advertised distance, range, and top speed are actually pretty impressive for the price. That price is $1,500. And so far, just on this initial test, it seems like it's money well spent. It's actually kind of a cool path. A lot of people don't know this about Huntington Beach, but if you continue up this path, there's a dog beach. It's an off-the-leash dog beach. You just let your dog roam free. Whoa, there's a squirrel. Definitely not stopping, buddy. I am not gonna crash because of a squirrel. I'm just not gonna do it. All these trails here in Southern California, these bike paths right along the beach are awesome for these electric bikes. You can see here's 2 more electric bikes right here. These are becoming so popular because, like I said, you can ride a motorcycle up and down PCH here, but you can't really do it in a t-shirt and shorts. I mean, you could, it's not safe though. But you can ride in a t-shirt, shorts, and get a nice view of the ocean. Just be cruising on one of these e-bikes. It's such a good feeling. Just cruising on the KBO Breeze. Feeling the breeze, feeling the sun. It's a great day. I have absolutely no complaints after my first ride. It felt smooth, safe, and comfortable, and I had actually a ton of fun on this thing. So make sure and hit the subscribe button. I have a road trip coming up in the next few weeks, and I'm gonna take this in the back of the truck, and everywhere I go I'm gonna be riding this bike. So I'll do some more testing on it, and I'll let you guys know what I think along the way. If anything comes up that I don't like, I'll definitely let you know. But first ride was a great ride and absolutely zero complaints. This thing was a ton of fun. And as usual, I'll remind you guys to get outside,
stay hydrated, and keep on moving.
Hey guys, I'm Brandon. Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing there's a dinosaur. Who put that over? And a shark. You got me. You got me good. That was a good one.